Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger and filter on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This maintenance task is essential for keeping your vacuum running efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement trigger and filter ready. If you don't have these parts, you can easily find them online or at your local appliance store. By unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. This will expose the internal components of your vacuum. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using your soft cloth. Regular cleaning can significantly improve the performance of your vacuum. Now, let's focus on the trigger. The trigger is usually held in place by a small clip. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the clip away from the trigger. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. Replace it with the new one by sliding it into place and securing it with the clip. If you find this process challenging, or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Just schedule a time that works for you, and we'll take care of the rest. Next, we will replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the motor. Twist the filter counterclockwise to remove it. Inspect the old filter. If it's dirty or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Insert the new filter by aligning it properly and twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Before reassembling the vacuum, take a moment to check for any additional debris or blockages in the hose and brush bar. A clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. If you need assistance with this, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any issues you may not see. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. This will keep everything in place and functioning properly. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test the new trigger and filter. You should notice an improvement in suction and overall performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. By following these steps, you can maintain your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner effectively. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vacuum, but also ensures it operates at peak performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.